Daniel, I got one question for you.
Yeah?
Water, no! No, sir. Back to the point, everyone. How much hair does the neighbor's dog have? Let's find out.
Let's find out. Da-na-na-na. That much hair. And I've done this like 15 times in a row.
We've done this about like 80 times.
Yeah, 80
already.
times. And just tons and tons of hair. You like that? Look, see?
It's floating. Look at that, guys. It's floating. Oh, dog's gonna agitate it. Hello. Don't lick the camera.
More hair.
More hair. Baby, dog. Don't lick my camera. Don't lick the phone. She's Scooby the dog, everyone. Scooby. Who has a bit of brown on her shoulder? She's got like some brown on her shoulder.
Yeah, the only reason she does that is because her dad beats her. Because she got skunked by Pepe Le Pew.
This is her Cyclops, bro.
She got skunked by Pepe Le Pew. She got skunked. And they got bleed. And then we bleed.
Dad, one more question for you.
Yeah.
Water nose! They're pink. They're pink. You guys tell me in the comments below. Are those pink or are those orange?
They're orange, you dummy.
I get my black cherry seltzer. Yeah, I had a video here coming up soon. We're gonna have a shooting contest.
Shooting contest?
We're gonna chuck it basketball from this driveway here. Try to make it into the hoop. Just waiting on a friend at the moment.
How much hair could a dog have? More now.
That's what, third? Fourth.
No, so far, since I first started, that was about like, the 90th.
Yeah, saucer.
Yeah, our dog really likes being whipped with salsa.
Huh?
My dog really likes being whipped with salsa. Thank you.
Likes how she don't care.
This is what happens when you get a big dog that needs to grow a winter coat and then loses their summer coat. Why do they lose their summer coat, you may ask? Yeah? Okay. You need all my help. Okay, end the video, man.
Ending video.